Hey everybody, what's going on? Jason the Blessed Beardsman here, and I have another video for you tonight. I thought I would do an unboxing video on my Beardbrand subscription that I have. It's the only beard product subscription that I have. So tonight we're going to do the unboxing, so stay tuned. Before I begin my review, let me invite you to hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell so you can be one of the first to see the new videos as they come out. Also leave me a comment or question down below about this video or anything else beard related, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. A little bit about my subscription to Beardbrand. This is the second time that I've gotten a box or a package from them with my subscription. The first time I got the Tea Tree Styling Balm. And what I found out is I like the product very much. It has a phenomenal smell, great ingredients. But what I found was, after using it for a while in my beard, that I felt like my beard got a little bit dried out. So I started using it in my hair, and it works really good in my hair. I like the way that it looks. So I thought I would try a conditioning balm in a different scent, just to try a different scent. So I believe I ordered the Spiced Citrus. So without further ado, here we go. This is the box that it came in. You can see it has a nice Beardbrand sticker on the front. So let me open that up here. Put my knife away. As always, very nicely packaged. Mad props for that one. Nice sticker on top here. Let's see what I got in here. Packing peanuts. Remove some of those out of the way. So I got my Spiced Citrus Utility Balm. I also ordered a Mustache Wax in the Spiced Citrus and a Mustache Wax in the Tea Tree. I'm not that familiar with Mustache Waxes, so I thought I would try them out. In the past, I think I've used one other Mustache Wax, and I didn't really care for it. So I thought I would try it out. Now they threw in a couple free samples here. I got a beard oil sample in their 4 vices. I requested that one. I haven't tried that one out yet. And they also threw in a fragrance. Oh, I didn't even know they made fragrances. Fragrance in the Temple Smoke and a sample of the fragrance in the Old Money. So I didn't even know they did fragrances. So that's kind of cool. Show you that one more time. Let's see what else is in the box here. Oh, a Beardbrand pin. That's really cool. With every subscription, you get a little free gift. So I guess that's the free gift for this time. I got a Beardbrand business card. Very nice business card. A Beardbrand sticker. I'm going to put that on my laptop. A card that says 2018 Year of the Gold. Just like that. On the back it says, in your package you'll find a sample of one of our gold line items to add a touch of gold to your own collection. All year long orders will include samples of our gold line offerings, switching up items as we go along. Now you're golden, keep on growing. So that's really cool there. And then the last thing that I have in here is my packing slip. So let's dive into these products here real quick. Not really going to talk about this the fragrance samples. I'll just open one so you can see what they come in. They come in a little tube like this, little fragrance tester. So you get a decent amount, probably for a few uses. The only problem I have with these is they're not labeled. So you go to use it once, and after that, if you don't put it back in the box, you don't know what it is. So that's my kind of only issue with those, but I'm very thankful for them adding those in there. That was a nice gesture. So let's take a look at the Mustache Waxes first. Again, here is the tea tree wax. On the back, it says directions: scrape wax with fingernail, warm between fingers, apply, style, and be awesome. And it has beeswax, lanolin, jojoba oil, and fragrance, and it's distributed by Beardbrand from Spokane, Washington. So let me see if I can open it there. You can see what it looks like. So it's a little yellow in color, but not a big deal for me because I have a dark beard. The spicy citrus looks exactly the same there. That smells really good too. Of course, the tea tree smells just like the balm. So that's awesome. Now let's take a look at the Spiced Citrus Utility Balm. That's the box there. Real classy box. I love their branding and their packaging. Has a picture of an orange on the top or some other type of citrus, as that is it's spiced citrus. And then also some info and directions. Spiced Citrus has the warm, comforting fragrance of the holidays at home all year round. Utility Balm is a versatile beard, hair, skin, and tattoo moisturizer. Warm product in hands and apply anywhere on the body to get lightweight all-day hydration. And it puts their ingredients both in the scientific name and it looks like in the layman's terms as well. So shea butter, mango seed butter, lanolin, apricot kernel oil, jojoba seed oil, beeswax, cocoa seed butter, and fragrance. So it also has the distribution information on the back. I don't know if you'll be able to read that. My phone doesn't autofocus. But let's go ahead and take a look here. If I can open the box. My fat fingers. All right. This is a 3.4 ounce. So the container looks the same size. But I guess maybe you don't get as much. See? Container's the same size. I don't know what the difference is. This is 120 mil. This is 100 mil. So let's go ahead and take a look. It smells fantastic. You get that spicy and definitely the citrus. It looks like some got a little messed up in the bottle. I don't know what the deal is with that. It's a different texture. I don't know if you can see that. It is a little gritty, but I think that has to do with temperatures and being from Washington and so forth that it's shipped from. I'm sure it's cold, but as you put it in your hand, just 2 quick rubs and it's already emulsified. So to me, the grit does not make any difference whatsoever. It doesn't. I do not have a problem with the grit at all. So this is a conditioning balm. It's going to give you a small amount of hold, not very much. So that's why they have the styling balm as well. My first impression, I love the scent already, and I'm excited to try it out. So in the future, as I use this, I'll do another video and tell you what I think about its performance, both on the styling balm and also on the mustache wax. So that's all I have for you tonight. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can be one of the first to see the new videos. And be sure to leave me a comment or a question down below. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget, I'm right in the middle of my 100 subscriber giveaway. The giveaway will be over on Thursday night. I'll upload a video and announce who won. So make sure that you watch that video and that you're in the running for it. Hope you have a great night and a great week, and we'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed, stay bearded. Bye-bye.